Htgm, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Let me make this lower. I'm on Twitter Spaces also. Founder of MOJO Day Trading. I'll be talking when they bring me up on Twitter Spaces. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Woohoo, MOJO did. I'll fill you in during the show. We're going to do some trading and go over the MOJO news and for the community. And if you like it, you always hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I go live. And yeah, let's head right over to the MOJO Day Trading room because we've been doing so much action this morning, guys. Pretty crazy in the action. Oh my gosh, check this out. Hey Mojos, what's going on there in the MOJO room? We got Hasman in the house, Trevor, already putting out some profits right here. Didn't start at 214. It's like many trades already. Let me delete this message. What's up, Jump? Let me show you where we started the day here. It was crazy this morning, guys. Where was it? Oh, this is my son yesterday. So last night, and this was the boy yesterday. I'm so proud of him. So Larson, this guy Larson in the room, he's just amazing. Makes over $2,000 a day. He's been with MOJO for a couple of weeks, scoring real nice. My son came in third place. These guys are professionals, dude. These two kids have been wakeboarding for 5 years since they were little. They are so, this kid right here does a rally, and if people know what I'm talking about, an air rail with one hand. Out of control. My son, I'm so proud of him, third place. Show you his video. Last night I traded with Bookmap. I made this great buy off the bottom of that red bar, waited for it to solid up, number 2, added number 3 right there. I sold. It actually went really higher, almost to the top of this line, and you could see where the support and the ceiling is from Bookmap last night, and you could see the size was there at 11,660. And this was my boy. Starts off real nice. Nice little air flip off the kicker, XL kicker. He goes up on half pipe, goes on the top, but he should have gone down the loop. Messed it up a little bit. And then he comes around here, goes up on transfer right there. Nice full pull board slide to a 180 into blind, real nice. Switch around the corner, comes here, ollie onto tube, back 180 into blind, little shaky but does it. Comes here into transfer, on, back 180 off into blind right there. He's amazing, dude, really good. I'm very proud of him right there. That came in this morning right here at Htgm at 6:22 a.m. at 92 cents for the Heinz $1 move, adding right there into $1. You could see that, and then $1.05. And then Steve already made $852 in 2 quick trades this morning. We'll take a long right here, guys. And just an entry. And then we got 110 by 112, 114, 126. Look at that. Nice little taking profits right there on that little trade. Acer, my swing pick, heading through the high right there at 226, going into 250. There's Htgm at 145. Another one of my swing picks, CTM, up 47%. Yes, sir. Beautiful swing pick right there. And 150 on Htgm with a signal at 55. Going to head through there. 113 profit on my futures. Oh, I'm taking closing that trade, guys. I did this trade right here. I shorted the top, covered down there on the bottom. 170 now on Htgm. from 92 cents.
Nailed it. Yeah, baby. Nailed it. Oh, nailed it.
170. TNXP going to go through 50 cents. See the signals on the ass? These are guys going to get filled. See that went right through 50 on TNXP, timestamp and everything, how long it takes in the Mojo room for that to happen. 52. And there's news on tonics. They announce exclusive license of potential therapeutic preventative humanized anti-SARS-CoV monoxyl antibodies. Oh my gosh, too much for me. And then TNXP also has news, RNA, COVID kind of stuff, because COVID's coming back. Another Mojo swing pick up 30%. Not a lot of volume. We'll see if volume pours in. We have a huge winner is EZFL, 29%, 42 cents by 50 on EZFL. And two of my stocks going by the high list is Acer right there. You see Acer at 230 right now. There's Acer at $1.50 swing pick. Swing trade newsletter pick on 12.4 in the $1.50 range. Looking for the base breakout up here. Volume coming in above these two red circles at 172. Next 2 years, increasing analyst estimates for 2 years, going from a loss of $1.48 to 61. Increased volume 907%. That's a Ken Slim swing pick, guys. Here's my Google Drive. If you guys want to take a look at the Google Drive with the swing trade newsletter, and that actual newsletter is right here. And 6 picks, ASTC. Here is the Acer right there at $1.50. All right, there's CYTH is another good one. Look at that, I got another winner. Acer volumes coming in right there at 210 to 250 right there. See Acer, TNXP new high 54. NUWE, keep an eye on that one. Nuelis, we got it at like when it was 10 cents, trading 44 million shares last week. It did a reverse split. Welcome jump to the room. Anyone who messages you first is a scammer. Please do not provide any of your seed, website keys, or capital to anybody. Remember, nobody's going to ever direct message you here for handouts or charity or capital or anything, guys. So beware. Every day I have imposters impersonating my chief pro trader, Mike, up top. Went to 171, 188, 214 is where I ended it, and I just did another trade. I'm at 231. Yo, I'm here, guys. Is that this mic? Because sometimes you say mic, and I think it's the other mic. What's going on, guys? GM. It is Pro Trader Mike. Live on YouTube as well, and in my Discord. Just been up since 6:30 this morning. It's 9:30 almost. Man, I've got like a whole day already. It's like I ran a marathon, guys. Already trading my futures. Got a couple of winners on my small cap picks. Holidays are coming into play. Hope everyone had a good holiday weekend. The next couple of weeks, traders are going to be taking off. Institutions are going to be trading light. We may get little whipsaws up and down. What I would say is wait for that bar to slow down, okay? Don't react in the middle of a huge bar. If you're in it, wait for it to stop, man. And if you're going to trade it and try to see the bottom for that thing to come back up for the bottom, wait for it to stop. what I do is I look at the 1 minute, it goes red. I wait for it to stop. I take a little poking entry, maybe one lot. My goal is 10. It goes a little tiny green on the next bar. I'll add 2 lots, so I'll be long 3. Then I'll get my next green bar higher, confirming it's going back up, and I'll go 7, so I'm in my trade, and then I'll start scaling out on the next bar or 2. And that's what I'm looking to do today, whether it's market spikes up and I short it like that, or the market drops down and I buy it long like that. That's what the Mojo be doing, and hope everybody has a great day. Some symbols that are working for me this morning is Htgm, which I called out at 92 cents. That thing has already gone up pretty much a lot this morning, but keep an eye on that. Htgm, I called it out. Another one is TNXP, Tonix Pharmaceuticals, another one in the pre-market with big volume. And that's about it. I'm looking forward to hear what Michael has to say and the other speakers. And peace, everybody. Keep it profitable. Pro Trader Mike out. Later. Let's listen to Mike, too. We can listen to him. Listen. You can hear him.
If you're looking at your index futures, you're using the March contract. Last week we had rollover. Friday was a strange day for me, at least. I didn't see that end of day dive coming. I actually took my middle son and we went to the gym. I'm like, I'm not gonna watch this chop like I did earlier this week for the rest of the day. And then next thing I know, I'm watching my little Apple app, and I'm like, holy cow, look at this move down. But anyway, I don't know why I'm saying that, because I didn't do anything. I was on the elliptical. So trying to get some of this ridiculous weight finally off me. Okay, so let's talk stocks first.
Let's go.
Amazon, look at this stock for a second.
I like it.
Little narrow range candle on Friday and an inside candle. Are they going to try to move Amazon into the end of the year, right? So a couple of things. I know everybody's focused on CPI and the FOMC this week, and you should be, right? Because those are going to be the high volatility, because we don't know, right? The potential high volatility events for this week. Maybe they're just nothing burgers. I don't think they're going to be. I think this is probably going to be the last decent trading week of the year. I don't think everybody goes to sleep the last 2 weeks because it's been a very eventful year. I think there'll still be some jostling and positioning into the end of the year. But usually, like I believe Pro Trader Mike said it, or maybe it was someone else, I apologize if I'm not giving the right person the credit. For some reason, I just forget names as soon as I'm introduced to people. That's a really bad habit. But was saying that it could be a really light rest of the year after this week, because the pros are going away and they've already done their stuff. I don't know. I don't know if that's going to be the case. I would like, in theory, to agree with that, but because of the way the market's been, because of the bear this year, I think people are going to have to make last end of year moves to try to at least. They're not going to be able to save their years, but they're going to be able to at least break down some of the damage, like mitigate some of the damage, right? Hopefully have a job next year, right? Anyway, oil still above $70. It came really close on Friday to breaking 70. I think it's going to dip through 70. I think it could spike through 70. I think it could crack 70, spike down. Maybe
that last trade was a big one, man.
I'm not shorted, so I'm
shorting up there looking, at the top.
Maybe 66, 68, something like that. It could be a buying opportunity, not only for crude oil, but also for some of the energy stocks as well. So for today, we are gapping up. I am looking for that gap up to fade. Doesn't mean I jump in right at the open. Maybe I will, but I don't usually do that. I like to wait at least 1 minute until what I call the opening range has been set. A lot of people use different time frames for opening range. This isn't a how to trade futures class, but just for me, on the index futures, I like to bracket the first 1 minute of the day. There is technically no official opening range, despite what people will say. It's a pit. It's a pit kind of thing. When the futures used to trade in the pit, it actually started with the grain markets. But anyway, since we're electronic now, I use the first 1 minute. I am looking for us to trade lower on a gap fade, perhaps even back down to the VWAP, which I'm looking at right now is trading at 339.70 and a half. Again, so it's about 10 points from here. I don't like to jump in right off the open, but if we did spike up to those overnight highs and we failed there, we saw responsive selling there. That's probably where I'd be looking for a potential short side entry. So that's what I'm looking at for today. It's been mentioned a couple of times. I'll mention it again. CPI tomorrow, FOMC on Wednesday. Could be a choppy day into both of those. If we're at an extreme today, this is something that maybe we can pay attention to too. Again, this is just one of the trading plans that I like to have. If we're at an extreme at around 2 o'clock, so in other words, if we're at higher day or at lower day, and we're not getting that kind of follow through, we could see a potential pullback or rally off of lows or pullback off of highs. Why? Well, people may want to flatten out ahead of the CPI. It's not something you can, bank on, but it's something as a background that you can watch and then see if price action confirms it. And that's what really trading is all about, right? Getting a background, getting a thesis, and then waiting for price action to confirm that your thesis is correct. Okay, always remember, you do not rule the roost here. The market rules the roost. Your job is just to get along and go for a little ride with it. So that's one of the things I'll be looking for today. But again, I said a lot, so let me just TLDR it for everybody. If we rally off the open into the overnight highs, I'm going to be watching what goes on there. If we fail there, I think we can pull back. I think we can fade the gap. Again, doesn't mean we'll necessarily fill it, but that's what I'm going to be watching for. I want to watch VWAP on as my first level to the downside. And if we continue going, if we just break the overnight highs and keep going, then I'll look to get on board with a continuation pattern. But that is not going to be my first lean of the day. My first lean of the day, whenever we gap up at least 4 points on the S&P 500, or gap down at least 4 points on the S&P 500, is for a fade back. So that's all I got. I'm getting a lot of messages during the day. I usually answer everybody unless it's something stupid like you're trying to get me to send you Bitcoin or something. I don't have any Bitcoin to sell you. So if you have any questions or anything, just hit me up. Or not sell you, or give you, by the way.
All right. Thanks, Mike, for that.
Just send me a private message.
No, thanks for that great announcement and analysis of the market. Let me show you now what's hot and not in the market. All right, let's see what we got here in the Htgm, number one gainer, 157, up on 30 million shares in the pre-market. Hey guys, let's take a guess today. How many shares Htgm will trade by the close? I say, how many do you say? What's up, Rish? What's going on, Reach? I joined my room and name Reach. How many do you think Htgm will trade by the close, man? Tradical, looking you good. Put that in the newsletter channel, bro. Do you have access to that channel? Let me give you permission. All right, so that's a good one. Let's look at the next one, APVO. Aptivo Therapeutics. Up $3, 93%, 11 million shares. It's a great trading stock if you like thin market maker level twos. All right, I'm just helping someone out in the chat room, guys. So we have Coop, $78. That's coupon. I think that's coupons.com. I used to trade that one as $10. Well, I thought that was Reed. I was like, what? My mouse was over it. I was like, is that Reed's? Oh, no way. But it's not. It's a Reborn Coffee. Ooh, I wonder what Java's doing. JVA. Is that still a stock? Java Coffee? Yeah, Coffee Holdings, $2. See that one? APVO Heinz and 7. Yes, sir. Sure will and do's. So what about this NEOV? 360 by 90. Ugh, terrible big spread, no volume. TNXP, guys, moving to 60 cent right there. Look. Look, base breakout, dude. Look at my chart pattern. You see that, Mar? All my swing picks have that same pattern, dude. It's just a matter of time. Each one day by day, up 100%. Yes, sir. And I'm launching Tradical in my newsletter so you can connect from my newsletter to your TD Ameritrade and place the trades exactly how I'm doing them right here. Let me show you. First, subscribe to my channel. So I'll show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. And then we'll go right in my chat room. Let's go. Look. EVO Mama. Yes, sir. 7-Eleven. Going to 19 for my boy, Mr. Mar. Hey, Mar. Well, let me just mention him. Hey, look. Hey, Pro Trader Mar. OG, how long have you been paying subscription $149 a month? Oh, you're not $199 a month. Your subscription to MOJO Day Trading. See how long he has been paying a subscription. Because to get OG on the badge, 7 years. Love that. Love that. Love that. Thank you. Yes, sir. 7 years. OG Brad in the house. OG. Hey, Josh, did you see what I made up for you, kid?
No, what you get?
Oh my gosh, bro. And I posted it on Twitter. I thought you'd see it. Let me show you. I'll post it in the room. I'll post it in. There it is. Look, copy image. Look, I posted it in the trading pit. Trader review. There's Josh. Look, number 32, been a Discord member with me since 2016. See that? And I've been trading and learning from Mike for 5 years now. I started by joining his chat room and taking his bootcamp university order filled, which was full of information. This is where I experienced my first. You like taking an order? Is it you going long? Is that what you're doing, Josh?
Nah, I shorted that big bar down.
Did you? I went long a little bit, bro. I went like, bought that bottom dip down. Oh yeah, dude, I'm
I only got one lot left.
One lot left. Okay.
Order filled.
There it goes.
All right. You like when it says order filled? You like when it does that?
Sometimes.
I hate that, dude, because I'm always order filled. So anyway, Josh has been trading for 15 years. After learning the Mojo way and becoming a pro trader, he's been more profitable than the rest of his years in his career in just a day. By my guidance and teaching and learning the way, you'll become successful with the technologies and the higher success rates and, of course, the Heinz, baby, and positive expectancy 100% of the time. There's no other trading room like the Mojo room. Yes, sir. How was that last trade I did? Well, I'm still in. Hasn't rebounded back yet. I went long on the Nazi Chazzy. Let me enter a lot or two here. Ching, because I'm long on my other screen. I got to go long on both. Let's head over where Mojo's in a trade right now. Ooh, I'm trying to get filled. I got filled. Wanted to get filled on one. They filled me on three. There's a 24 and a 78 here. Let's look at SQQ where we're at. We're at 45, pulling into 50. Oh, yeah, we made a move up. Oh, yeah, we just got to, as soon as it goes over 50, it will reverse. We just got to be careful in this. If it goes 47, oh, boy. So I'm not that crazy here about it. So I'm just going to take a quick little. If it goes 47, guys, forget about it. It's going to go right to 50. Good, at least I'm getting out of some right here. $41. I don't like it here. I got one left. See? 45. It's going to go to 40. It's going to go to 50. Told you. Just don't want to be like, there we go. Look at that swing. Radical move. That was a good one. Oh, I'm out over here. I'm trading over here. Yes, sir. That thing's shimmying and shaking. Mojo caught a big ass long. I hope you went long with me, dudes. Look at that red bar. Look at that green bar long for the Moj. And I'm out. Yes, sir. $188 on 3 micros, baby. Yes, sir. What, the market open? Yeah, baby. Dude, that was a big one. What'd I do here? Ooh, nice. Let that thing rise again. We're going to go in again. What is that? 46.49 was the high. I'm in again. Here. I don't want to do it on my other screen because I already made big over there. I want to make big on this account right now. There's 46. There's 50. Look. Copy trade in many accounts. Ooh, that's a big one. I'm out of that one, boy. $73 copy trade. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Made $500 just by making 70. Yes, sir. Rise, Captain, rise aboard my mystery ship. Take another 20 bucks right there. Yes, sir. I'll take 10. I'm out. 82 bucks. Rise to 50. 46.49 is the high. I'm in. Bad entry. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. $100 across them all now, baby. Rise, rise, rise. So I can go long you down back under 46. I'm going long. It's going to take a dump. Hold on, boys. Here we go. We're right at 11,700. See it? Got 8 lots. Dump. Watch this. Under 25. Come on. Oh, you son of a bitch went the other way. I'll take 1, 2. I'm coming on my other computer taking 2. Love the micros, boys. Look at that trade. Holy shit. Closed. 200 bucks. I'll just close. When it's moving too fast, guys, I'll just hit close. Even though I could have made more, I just hit close. But I made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1,400. Knew I should have, it was going to dump, but I had too many. It was jiggling too much, and I didn't want it to flip. I just said close, done. Done, dang. Nice, made 268 on my other computer right there, too. That's how it's done, boys. Rise, Captain, rise. Here's how it's done, guys. 9:34 a.m. copy trading, 7 accounts right there. Market just open. We swing over to the Mojo room. Everyone's cranking there. Got another 268 on this computer right there. That's how we trade in the Mojo room, in the Mojo house, in the Mojo crib. Yes, sir. Everybody come on and trade with the Mojo. Click below. Links right there. That was a good video, right? Post that later today. All right, guys. Rise, Captain, rise. 96.40. Under 11. Here we go. Up another 70 beans. $100. Taking candy from a baby right now. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Out. 270 across the board. Yes, sir. Rise, Captain, rise. Board my mystery. Go under 11.7 so I can trade you back through and dumping under 40. Yes, sir. I'm in long again. It's dumping. I'm up. And got me on 2. Got me 2. I'll add a couple more. There we go. 20 bucks right there. $20 down there. Oh, it's a 30. I take it. I'll take it. She's giving me another chance before the dump. That last flurry was like up to 40, remember? Now this one's going to be under 20. 11.7. Come on. No, not near 40. I'm taking one over here. Done. Take another one over here. 2. Done. Don't go near 50. High's 49. Ugh. Breaking even on some micros here, guys. Look. Right there. See that? That's break even right there. Come on, dump down the other way a little bit, homie. Don't go near 50. Don't go near 50. Uh-oh. Whew. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm adding. Because it's the micros, boys. There's even right there. I see green. Losing my profits. $19 and $20. I'm done. That's all I can do is 20. I'm going to have to take a loss here if it doesn't flip. Lost all my profits. Flip down, baby. I'm going to cover half of them. I covered half for a loss. My other one I didn't because I got a great fill. All right, I could have held. All right, I'm green on my other screen. Come on. I got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17. Got stopped out. Rhythmic stopped me out, guys. Say, look, Rhythmic stopped me out at the 500. That's where I have Rhythmic set. So I got to go back in and change it to 1,000. Dang, that sucks. But my other account right here is fine. All right, let me log back in. That sucks. Only 500, guys. That's the old days. That would have been blown up the account. I would have had a reset for money. Not anymore. I'll just make that right back. That's how it works. Steve made 1,095. Nice. All right, we're back in. Quickly as that. Right back in. Dow's up 97. QQQ's 281.69. If that thing would have been set at 700, I'd still be in, dudes. I'm still in on over here. Let me just fix this one. I set my rhythmic very close because it's like a stop loss on a single trade. It's only what I'm willing to risk. All right, let's see if this thing gives a green bar up again. Look at my other screen underneath my other screen. Yeah, we're back up in the 70s. Rise, let's go. Hasn't made its big dump yet for today. It will. Glad I'm still catching it right here to do that. It's the high 81. There we go. And my rhythmic didn't open. Come on. It's going under 50. Adding. Dow's up 92. Comp's going to go from red to green. There you go. I told you. Adding. Under 55, it'll dump. I'm on 55. Dow's up 96. Comps wants to go green. It's down 2. Let me get rid of this guy. Come on. I can't see this other. There we go. It's very volatile. Still playing the move under 50. Dow's up, comps up, adding on this rise again. My rhythmic is not opening up for some reason. Close all these windows. There's a nice dump, 52, 51. Yes, sir. Told you on the 50. I wonder why this rhythmic is just going off. It's not even giving me an error message. Not even giving me an error message. Oh, there it rised again. It's the $20 Clippers. I got to restart my computer here because Rhythmic is not starting. So let's go restart. All right, I can sign back in over here. Let me disconnect. Let's take a minute break so I can reset. Be right back. Dudes, this thing just took the biggest dump in red bar. I can't believe I've missed that, dude, because I had to log back in. Ay, ay, ay. I was able to change it. They just, damn, I was changing my parameters. How much you make on that one? Yeah, did it. Boom. Fuck, dude, I should be right there, dude. I can't believe it. Dang, dude, I had that thing called down, dude. Pissed. All right, what you gonna do? Let's, all right, I'm logged back in. Let's start grinding back right now. Son of a gun. Son of a gun, dude. I had that thing. Damn. Ay, 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 emojis. Well, I set my stops so tight, dude. That's why. Sometimes it fucks you. Sometimes it's, yeah, well, I'm gonna grind it right. I make it back in three or four trades right now, no problem. But still, yeah, and then you're done. So there's no grinding it back, and then you got to pay more money. It's not the right way to do it. There we go. All right, now it's at 46.15. Where'd it bounce off? Stopping station 07? 02 to 07. Yep. TNXP's ripping. Look at Tonics. 65 cents, new high. Htgm's ripped today. Amazon's moving a little bit right now. Damn, I missed that SQQ. I'm so pissed. My big move I wanted right there. That big drop down, that big red bar down. Big green bar up on the right there. I missed that big huge green bar right there. Dang rabbit. All right, let's crank out some trades here. I knew the market was going green. Comp's up 34 and Dowie's up freaking 107. Everyone in my room made tons of money on that trade. I didn't. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Can't win them all. Can't win them all. This guy on Twitter says, I can't wait to get in the group. Appreciate the call on Htgm. He bought and sold from 7:30 to 9:30 right here. This guy on Twitter cranked out and did amazing. You got it, Buzzy. Yes, sir. Nicely done. Hey, guys, when someone messages you on Twitter and they tell you that they want you to test this software or something, you know, for them, and they're going to pay you, it's a scam. All right, we'll rise back up a little bit. I could play it in the 30s. Oh, I don't have it set. All right, it enabled me to get back in at 30 for the next drop down on the 46. What did you do, Steve? I prefer, and the MES is for the minis. It's a lot slower and tight. It doesn't jump like the NASDAQ right here. It's right at 11,700, guys. See this thing? Dow's up 112, comp's up 27. I want to hold this one. Need more. I'm going to add one and another one and another one. It's right at 1,700. Likes the 1,700. Dow's up 110. QQQ's 282.43 to pull into 250. Send this one a little lower. Let's see what it does. Definitely want to wait. 10-cent moves before doing any adding. There he is, Uncle Adam. Hello, how are you? Good. How was your weekend and everything? Cool. I'd love to get your hold on a second. Love to get your analysis of what's going to happen here with the market and the SQQ and where we're looking right now.
Sure. Looks like on NQ we're going to go up a little ways until the turn of the hour, and then I'm thinking we're going to go back down. So that's going to be a high for SQQQ.
Nice. You're going to go to 46.80 and head up towards 47, you think?
Not immediately, but
I
I'm
think
thinking
you know.
after
What
the
about
turn
the
of the
Uncle?
hour.
What about the Uncle Adam play right here under 46?
We could get it, but I wouldn't wait for it. I would. I'd wait for the price to come down below 46 and then try and catch it for the move back through 46 Hines into 47.
Okay. I missed a big trade earlier because I had my rhythmic set on $500 stop loss. I got stopped out, and that thing, dude, stopped me out. I'm changing my settings in the back, and it does the big dump that I wanted to from 46.80 to 46, like an 80-cent move. If I would have set it at 750, I would have been able to stay in. I did it for larger accounts too. I'm just surprised. What does that say? Oh, hold on a second. Ooh, that's a nice trade. What does this say? This says try. Ah, there we go. Rhythmic's giving me a message. I got a bunch of error messages. I got a bunch of error messages, man, but a good trade. That sucks. There's the dump I wanted. Yes, sir.
60 seconds to the turn of the hour. Watch out for volume.
Yes, sir. I'm in a great one. And close. Boom, baby. Yes, sir. That was the greatest little trade I caught. Yes, sir. Mojo caught it. How come this is not letting me? It says load from another version now. What the hell does that mean? Let's try it one more time. Log in. The error message it is giving me is rhythmic. I've never seen this error message before. It says try load settings from a greater version 17.201 to 17.109. Press cancel to exit. Now let me log in. Are there any updates? Yep, it logged me in. Yes, sir. I said skip settings, and it worked. All right. Ooh, back up to 30. Missed it right there. It should get real strong now in the Nazi. All right, I'm clipping it back, dudes.
Hey, Mike.
Ooh, someone said my name.
This is Gracie.
Hey, what's up, Gracie? How you doing today?
Doing all right.
Is everything okay with the courses? You able to get in there and make a move forward now? I had 2 people with the courses this weekend. They weren't able to move to the next class.
Yeah, I had that problem, but I don't know, it got resolved.
Yeah, because sometimes if you skip ahead, so yeah, I just told him just to replay it, and then it should be and it should be okay, and that worked.
There's that nice lawn.
What happened?
Order filled.
Nice lawn, funny in queue.
Oh, I missed it, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm in one lot. What am I doing here? At least I got a good fill here. I got 6, 7. Be careful around 50. Again, see what happened last time. It was around 50. Let me get to 10, 9, and 10. Breaking even on 3 of them right there. Half of them broke even. Yes, sir. I did a great trade on my other screen. See, guys, I went from negative 500. I'm only down 300 now. Here we go. Making it back, baby. I don't like to look at that, so I'm moving it to the side. I just trade, and then I look. It's like when I play basketball, I play sports. I don't run down the court, looking at the scoreboard, getting ready to shoot a three-pointer. That ain't happening. I'm shooting a three-pointer like 4 times in a row in a zone. Then I take a breath. I look up. I'm like, freak yeah, we're ahead, and I just scored a bunch. Yes, sir. That was great. That's what I do. What's up, BJP? And in the house. MM in the house. Oh my gosh, the reason I made that was beauty in last trade. Make sure you're on 323 for the for that action like there, like that. Now let's join the bid down here at 30 for the dump back down for the Uncle Adam play. Any questions, just ask in the chat, guys. That's what Mojo does. Give me a follow and a like on the channel too, please. That'd be great. Working for you, man. I'm working for you right now, guys. So give me a like, man. That's my pay. Look at that last trade. Beauty. Gotta get in more before it dumps under 30. I mean, dumps under 20. Vixie's been getting sparky lately. That VIXY. You know what I'm saying? I like putting them on the big numbers, Larson. See that? It works, like you said. I just find them big numbers down here. Here's like a 700, you know. Them big numbers. Nice. I got people all over social media making money on my picks and what I've been cranking out. Nice. What do we got here? Htgm, TNXP 70 cent, ARDX, my swing pick CTM. Yes, sir. Back at 11,700. What's Amazon doing? Going through 89. Htgm, nothing. Htgm, $1.40. Mullen. TNXP.
Reverse Hines here in a second.
Really? Oh, I gotta get long a little bit more here if we're going reverse Hines off Uncle Adam's call. I'll do that with you, bro. I'm long half a lot, 5. Gonna add it under 25. That's 25. $180 on the Dow now. $180. Back to my 5, but I've clipped 20 bucks in the meantime.
Big order on ask for SQQQ. I think I might push up to 30 or 40.
All right. I'm just clipping in the meantime. That's okay. I'll hold one lot to use as my judgmentification. Harp is going nuts. You harping on that shit, Mr. Marr? Nice last trade right there, huh? Should I see where I'm at right now? I'm at 228. Nice, baby. 228 from 500. I cut it halfway back. That's what Mojo does. Other screen, 300 from that one. Dow's up 166. QQQ's 282.35. This thing loves 11,700. Look at this bar on my chart, guys. I'm drawing horizontal lines right here. Ready? Look, right there is dangerous. 46-45 area. But it's overextended there too, so I'm not scared. I got 6. Little 6. No big deal with 6. Gotta grab one over here. Look at the size at 42. Oh yeah, he's going right to it. There it is. Told you. Ripped that size at 42 and got him his rebate. Dow's up 133 from 175. It dropped 40 points. QQQ's 22. Breaking even on these two right there. Brokey, hold the rest. Nice trade, Moj. Should go into 200 right here. Look at that. Ready? Close that sucker right at 200. Wouldn't give it to me. Take it again at 40. Big drop move to 45. I like it. I like doing that. Let's go, baby. Just don't go crazy. Back and forth. I love the back and forth. Just don't go crazy. $46, $48, $49. There's 50. Told you. Taking some off the table right there. Beauty. Now I'm under 200. I'm gonna be green soon. Then I gotta go back in and change it back to 500. That last one was a good one. We're gonna close that. I'm at 175 loss from 500. This one I'm at up 400 from a $500 loss. Yes, sir, and it's only 10 o'clock. Keep it going. Hey, Gomez, morning, buddy. Trading Banshees. Look at that thing dumping down. Slow down, baby. Go back up. Don't go to Uncle Adam yet. 50-cent move from 50 down to 46 without me letting me even get one more trade in is not right. Are you kidding me? Come on, dude. Ninth. Come on, dude. 3 red bars lower on that last one. Not letting. Oh my God, I have one over here. Look. Look. Oh my gosh. Look, I'll show you. Oh my gosh. Look, I have one over here. I didn't even know it. Look. Green. Look, green. Closed. Up 385. Ah, love that. Love that. I had that virtual background on this, so I love that, dude, when that happens, right? Got lucky. Big rise up, 42. 44. Right, 45. Gave me another shot at it. I got 8. It's right at that line. Better drop a little bit. Let me get out of a couple of these. All right, what am I at now? 120. Yes, sir. I'm about to go green, guys. I'm at 120. I'll let this one ride down to 30. Wow, it went to 50. Look at that. See it roll right to 50? If you don't take the profits, dude, you're stupid. Because look, if I don't take that profit right, it's going to go right, could go right back the other way. I wouldn't have been making anything. Bought 46.32, out 46, 47, 48, and 50. Wow, in the Mojo room, Mr. Marr is just Heinzing and rail grinding like such a great trader. He is. That's why he's been with me for 7 years, guys, because he does that. And I mean, just the commissions he used to pay every day is a monthly subscription. You know, when you're a big trader and you're making a lot of money, dude, you used to pay just to TD Ameritrade and commissions hundreds and hundreds of dollars a day. That's not there anymore. You're able to trade on TD Ameritrade right now and press the button on these stocks for free. If you know what you're doing, it's the biggest gift in the world, man. They finally like paid back the trader for being in the game for so long. And when you just lose so quickly, it doesn't matter. They're not making any money off you anyway. You lost so quickly. But they realize, you know, having them assets and traders not switching around for other firms. The key. This thing is jumpy, huh? Dow's 130, comps up 6. It's giving us a really nice another opportunity here. Let me get out of a couple here. I have 9. Just go down a little bit. Don't crush me. I'll get out of this trade a little bit here. Seems like Meta and these Tesla and these other stocks are red right there on my screen. There we go. Mojo's out. All right, I should be under $100 now after this next little trade's over. Cosm's moving, COSM, little Mojo swing pick from a couple weeks ago. $48, almost making it under $100 right now, guys. If I close this out, I'm under 100. 47, come on, drop. No, I'll close them. I'm at 98. Made back 400 so far. What's the high on this bar right there? 61. At least I know it's orderly now. Right back to 61. Dow 127. QQQ is red actually. 281.90 may move into Heinz 282, which is going to send this lower for sure. Under 50. Oh, I didn't want to get rid of those two. Damn, I'm at 75. I didn't want to get rid of those two. Didn't. It's okay. Get one more back in here.
Hey, Mike, it's Mike.
Mike, what's up, buddy?
Hey, I have a question about the Apex Trader. I've been using it for Apex and it works great. Sometimes if I get stopped out, I have to individually go in and close the other accounts.
Yeah.
But with EarnMax, I was trying to use it and it'll work on an entry, but when I go to exit, it's like one works, another one doesn't. Is there anything in the settings I can work on? Do you know?
If that's happening, more market orders if you have too many accounts on the copy trader, because it's executing not every account at that particular level.
Because there's like not enough to fill, or
correct. So only it's
whatever.
right. So you're in there with a lot of other people, and if it doesn't have enough to fill, it's only going to fill what it has. You follow?
Yeah, yeah. And I have two 250 accounts, one 100 and 150. I don't know
Cool.
how I got that.
Mr. Marr,
I
he
got
bought
that.
4630. Yeah, they gave you all these extra accounts when you signed up.
Oh,
Extra,
nice.
yeah, as a gift. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, I'm up 200 on all of those.
HTGM APVO Harbin has crushed it today. Done in 50 minutes. Beautiful.
Order canceled.
Beautiful. Yeah, isn't that amazing? They gave you those free accounts like that.
So the 250, what do you get? Like
$100,000. Yeah, but I do them all the same.
yeah, 1. Yeah.
I have all the. I have the right here. This is the one I'm down on right now. Actually, look, I'm closed. I'm only down $41. I have the 250, and I have all these 50s. I have 100 too, and these are all my earns. But yeah, look, I'm only down $41, guys. That's a true master trader. Everyone shows you, oh, look how much I've made. Look how much I lost and grinded it back. Showed you how to do that. I mean, that's mastery, guys. I don't care who you are or what you do. That's mastery, boys. Mastery trading today. Dow's at 155. QQQ 282.07. Hines nicely. Amazon may go up here at 88.50. Nice job, Josh. Gracie, you got to get. Oh, Gracie already has Apex. That's right. Already told me she does. Bitcoin just Hines 17,000 again. What time is it? Time's 10:30. That's right. That's a great day. So guys, that's how Mojo trades right there. Got a nice, feels good not to be grinding back after a loss for sure. Mr. Mar, everybody have a great day. I'm going to end the Mojo Day Trading Show. So give me a thumbs up and a like if you like my action and how I trade. If you think you can come along and do this, we're trading the firm's capital. You trade for 10 days. In a simulator, you make 6% profit in 10 days, and they give you a real money account, and you could trade multiple accounts. It really costs, everything costs under $100 to attempt to try. So only risk you're doing is not by trying. So message me or send me a message and subscribe and give me a like, and I'll see you on the next Mojo show, guys. Peace. Keep it profitable. Peace out. Later.